Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, my dear.
Where are you going?
I'm going to feed the chickens.
Can I come with you?
Of course. Come with me.
Wow, there are so many chickens.
Yes, they are hungry this morning.
They look very hungry.
Let's feed them.
Let me help you, Grandma.
All right. Throw the food gently.
Look, Grandma, they are eating.
Yes, they look happy.
Hello, little chick.
Yes, it's very small. Be gentle with it.
It's so cute. Grandma, look, there are so many eggs.
Yes, the hens lay eggs every day.
Every day?
Yes, we have 6 hens here.
Let's collect the eggs and take them home.
Grandma, can I hold one?
Of course. Hold it carefully.
The eggs are still warm.
Yes, they are fresh from the nest. Shall we go make breakfast now?
Yes, Grandma.
What kind of eggs do you like, sweetheart?
I like fried eggs, Grandma.
Okay, I'll make fried eggs for you.
Can I help you?
Can you get me a bowl?
Breakfast smells so good.
Fresh eggs always smell nice.
I love mornings with you, Grandma.
I love them too.